So it's Friday night, about to be Friday night. You can see the sun. We're about to head out and go to a car show. I kind of wish I would have started my YouTube channel a little earlier because I did a lot of stuff to the car. It was stock and I completely changed the car up. So we're about to head that way. I'm gonna pick up the homie and we're gonna head that way. We're gonna try to get in the contest just to see what happens. I mean, I thought about it and just to see what happens. We'll see. So let's roll out. It looked like clear skies. I've already checked my oil. So, you know, G35 lifestyle. Let's go. Yeah, bro, this is my first meet I've ever going to. So I'm hoping that, you know, I get some good footage, you know, meet some new people. Cause I don't know nobody. Zero. I don't know anybody in the car world. So that's gonna be new to me. Show off my car a little bit, man. I may learn some stuff about the G35 that I don't know. There's a bunch of reasons I'm going. It's not just to be on the scene. Well, yeah, it is. Eventually, this will be an LS swapped car. I'm just saying. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she riding. That's what it's all about right there, baby. She don't need no club. Alright, so we just made it to the meet spot with my bro. You can see on the bike behind me putting air in. We got a couple other people over there at the gas station and stuff. So yeah, we about to head to the meet. We're kind of a little more later than I wanted to be, hoping I can get a good parking spot. I don't want to park far away. But yeah, man, we're gonna see what's up when we get there. About another 20 minutes. So we finally made it. I wonder if anybody's gonna take any interest in my car or if they're just gonna walk right past it. Check out the Subaru gang. Subaru STI. With a big ass turbo on it. Check this one out. This one looks like it shoots flames through the hood. I love the all red in the open face. Look at that. Oh, dude getting a shot of my wheels. Yeah, I think my wheels are probably the best thing on my car. GTO. Corvettes, Hellcats, Fox bodies, hatchbacks, a little bit of everything. Hey man, if I can get any shout outs, man, y'all vote for number 87, number 87. Tell him, bro, y'all tell him, y'all vote for number 87. 87. Yo, that's my number. It's the same. Got the Honda S2000. I would love to put an LS motor in there. For real? That's an old school Eclipse. Get the fuck out of here. And he got it like where the paint was like facing him. That's old school for real. Yeah. Is that a Lexus? Yeah. I like that. But check this out. Look at the color on it. It's like a bluish purple. This is where I should have parked, doesn't it? Over here by this the Nissan gang. Yeah. To the best car in the lot. Look at that, man. Oh, look at this paint job. This dusty as hell in this one. It's all good. We wasn't prepared this year. We just showed up for the fun, get some video, get out the fucking house. Now this is a car, bro. This is the first Batmobile I ever seen. It was built, it was made off of this right here. Is that a DeLorean though? What the fuck is this? This should win the competition right here. It'll look like something E.T. would drive. Look at that shit. If anybody knows what this is, feel free to leave it. Feel free to leave something in the comments. Got that diamond gear shifter. Talk about a love machine. Check that out.
This is a love machine.
Yeah, I feel the back seat. I just like the body style of it, the way it looks. It looks way better than the G to me. I'm just saying. I know it don't have horsepower, but I would love to buy one of these and put a fucking LS in it. Look at that. Look at the carbon fiber. Shoo! I want this hood. What do you mean, bro? Check what I found out, or what I found, shall I say? A Supra. I've never seen the old school, if I'm not mistaken, Gen 1 Supra. I'm new to the car world, so don't bash me. But if I'm not mistaken, this is the first generation of it. 2.5 twin turbo.
Remember the wheels were something back and look.
Super badass. Big ass pipe. Right next to it is another Supra. I mean, I guess this is Supra twins. You know what I mean? Old school versus new school. You know. So it seems like it turned out to be a big success. A bunch of people showed up. I don't know when the judging's gonna start or how it's gonna work. I'm just here kind of hanging until everything falls into place. Oh, bro showed up. With this wide body kit on it. I don't know what that symbol means, but it's like a hatchback. Making itself known. But yeah, like I was saying, what the hell is this? Don't know. Y'all know what it is. Could be a game. Looks like a golf. He just changed the symbol. I don't know. Hand the fuck out.
Keep your ass like this. What about this one?
Yeah, believe it or not, it's a small world. The guy that owns this car actually bought some exhaust tips from me about 4 months ago. And yeah, bro. Shout out to me, bro. Leave a like, subscribe. I just cannot stop looking at this Lexus, bro. I can just see my grill in this car. People still pulling in. I think they still doing the, they're still waiting on people, everybody to get here before they start doing judging. But as you can see, here's a little something else that I like too. And it's just not the car, but not the car so much, but just the creativeness. This reminds me so much of Need for Speed Underground. I'm new to the car world, so check this out. He got a wide body kit on it. It has not been painted yet, but I'm pretty sure when he painted, it's gonna be badass. You can see the features he got in the back. Airlift. So check out the inside of that, man. Bucket seats, manual, his dash lights up, carbon fiber steering wheel. Pretty fucking badass. He got a banner like me, Honda racer, true Honda boy, you know. He cut out his hood vents. I also did a project like that. So I said I did a lot of stuff to my car that I didn't get a chance to record it, you know what I mean, to put it on my channel. But, you know, I'm gonna start putting content from this point forward. I am gonna do an LS swap. I don't know when, I don't know how far out that'll be. But if you like and subscribe, bro, I'll keep these videos coming through this whole season of the car scene, bro, and me learning stuff. So we'll see what happens. Over. Out. By far the best car. Right here. Street Fighter. Hands down. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. This dude even went as far as to do his wheels. I mean, yeah. Wide body kit on a BMW.
I thought that shit was holographic for a second.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
He said if you put your light on it, it's holographic.
Oh, it is? I swear, like somebody's light came by and I was like, it looks
Yeah.
holographic, but it actually is.
Yeah,
That's actually pretty cool. How much is a wrap? How much does that cost?
So because it's a reflective wrap, it's a little pricey just to consider alone, $3,000. And then the printing and everything, you're looking at about like $5 to $7,000.
whoa.
Huh? You did it yourself?
No. He even did
I
the
took it to my boy, we did
BMW
it.
side. Street
It's a nice
Fighter.
wrap.
That's dope. Huh?
Too funny to be true.
Oh, you gonna park your Street Fighter next to him? Yeah, my brother got a Street Fighter bike. These are winners right here. A Grand National, some type of foreign looking Porsche, but it ain't a Porsche. But I give him his credit because I never seen one of those before. And then the pink fucking Alexis. I don't believe that shit.
Then he let the homeboy drive it for him.
Anyways, first, second, and third place right here. I don't know which ones is which, but it's the car that got chose. I think the Grand National should have been in it. The little coupe, whatever the hell it is, should have been in it. I like the pink Alexis, but I don't think it should have been in it. That's just my opinion.
You know that?
You telling me the Street Fighter car shouldn't have got in, bro?
Yeah.
That's what you saying? Yeah, Street Fighter car should have most definitely been in the top 3. But it is what it is. It was all good. STI with a turbo. Another STI with a turbo. A Mini Coupe. I don't know what the hell they got. And then they got a Mustang back there. So yeah, we leaving the meet right now. You know, people acting an ass. I don't see no laws though. That's good. Yeah, so I'm in Buc-ee's right now. About to grab me something to drink and something to eat. Something to snack on. And then I'm gonna be up out of here. I'm gonna be headed to the house so I can catch some Z's. You know, you gotta get sleep to be this beautiful. It's not easy being cheesy. Always wanted like a car with gold wheels.
Gold wheels?
Yeah.
I bought mine. You're the only person I see with gold wheels, bro.
Yeah, it's a few of them, but they not in Baytown though. I was gonna get those.
Oh, Hunt.
Yeah, odd Huns, I was gonna get those. That's what those are, odd Huns.
Yeah,
But those are DS01s, yeah. Yeah, bro, you got like crazy stretch. Look at this stretch. What are you all the way around?
I wanted to stretch it forward.
I don't know, bro.
I wanted to stretch it forward.
Baytown and Houston,
Yeah,
bro,
it's Houston that be fucking me up.
And you said you 9.5 all the way around?
Yeah.
Look at this stretch. This dude really went for it. That makes us look good though.